What's up, guys? So today we just found the end of a rainbow.
Yeah.
It's way over there. Look, rainbow. Dad, I hope you see this. Why do rainbows exist?
I kind of want to take a picture of it, should we?
What are you doing?
Taking a picture.
And now, here's how to listen to 100.7 KSLX on an Amazon smart speaker. First, get the free app.
Let's zoom in. That's as far as we can zoom in.
After that, you say, Alexa, play KSLX.
Here, you can kind of see it over there. And over there.
So pretty.
Rainbow.
Yeah. So this won't be on my YouTube channel, but it is cool. So I like this video because I love it. Oh, sugar palm trees. I love palm trees. Palm trees are my favorite trees. They're so beautiful. I love palm trees.
Well, guys, we just found the end of a rainbow.
Someone is broken down today.
This video is
we
called
get
The
to them
Rain.
today, or the
Oh.
repair is free.
Yeah, we forgot to mention those rain because we were distracted by the rainbows.
It's free. No ifs,
In his neighborhood, we saw them. I'm glad we skipped the neighborhood part because I forgot to show your address.
Ron,
Yeah, we don't want people seeing.
we'll have a repairman here.
If you live in Queen Creek,
If we don't, the repair
well,
will be free.
or yeah,
No ifs, ands,
you're lucky.
or buts.
Why?
Say it again.
Because, oh my God, rainbow!
So cool, huh?
Am I in Queen Creek? I don't know.
Yeah, you live in Queen Creek.
Klondike, are you talking
Okay. So I can see the end of. Wait, we're heading to the end of the rainbow.
ands or buts?
Aren't we?
Seriously, stop saying that. Say
No, we
it
can't.
free. No ifs, ands,
We
or
said we
buts.
live in
Maybe
Queen
take a
Creek.
nap. Maybe
If we,
say, Alaskan AC done.
let's get ends over there. Well, let's get blind now. Goodbye, rainbow.
I always loved you.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys see a rainbow. Peace.
We